Hi, this is Alana from the QuickBooks team. Great news! There's a new app for Square named Square Connector by QuickBooks, and it comes with improvements to save you time when you import sales and other transactions from Square. Let's look at the differences and improvements you'll see when you move to Square Connector by QuickBooks. The new integration comes with improvements that help you review transactions more quickly. In the past, you had to wait until Square paid you in order to import sales transactions. Now, your transactions appear soon after a sale occurs, even if you haven't received the payout yet. Previously, when you did finally receive transactions, you got details like the dollar amount of the transaction, any fees, and customer or vendor information. In the new Square Connector integration, you get much more. You'll see details about products or services, discounts, sales taxes, shipping fees, customer payments like gift cards, and other adjustments for each transaction. Select Square Settings to check out some additional settings. Your previous settings, like your deposit account for each location, migrate automatically. But you'll also see new settings to handle more robust accounting for the additional info you import. In the old app, your item settings were limited to just a few options, such as a tip item, discount item, and fee item. In the new version, there is an extensive list of items and accounts set up to automatically account for the additional info you import. For example, if Square makes adjustments to your payout, you import those details as well. That way, you can accurately account for adjustments like holds, disputes, or other charges. You can also turn on the option to automatically add imported Square transactions to your books to save you even more time. Let's take a look at a few differences you see as you review transactions. Select App Transactions, Square. Select Categorized. Any transactions you added and categorized in the previous app will stay in your books exactly how you added them. You won't have to do anything with the transactions you see in the Categorized tab. Select For Review. Any transactions you still need to review are in the new app automatically awaiting your instructions. You may notice a few more transactions appear in the For Review tab once you upgrade. Previously, a payout made of 3 sales would show a single line labeled Card Transactions 3. When you confirmed, it would record 3 sales receipts and a linked deposit, even though you only see one row of information. Now, a payout from 3 sales shows us 4 lines, 3 lines, 1 for each sale, and a 4th line for the payout they're linked to. This helps record better and more accurate data for all your transactions with Square. As you review and categorize transactions, you can choose how you view transactions. If you don't want to see each of your individual transactions as its own row, select to View by Payouts, which presents a similar view as the previous app. Note that when you view only payouts, you won't see transactions that customers fully paid with cash or gift cards. Those appear in the individual transactions view. With Square Connector, you receive each sale as an individual transaction, which links to a payout automatically. Once you confirm your sales, you confirm the connected payout to finish. Ultimately, there will still be a sales receipt for each sale and a deposit for the payout, exactly like before. You just have more detail about each sale to improve your records. Select a row to see additional details about a transaction. Take a look at this sale. You see an overview of the transaction, including taxes and fees. These details help you get more accurate financial reporting. After you've reviewed the details, select Confirm. Since Square doesn't deposit each sale to your bank account right away, the individual transactions will sit in undeposited funds, also called payments to deposit, until you confirm the payout. Let's review a payout transaction now. This transaction groups received payments, fees, and refunds that represent the net payout you receive from Square. Select the payout, assign the right bank account, and check that it's linked to correct transactions, and confirm it. Now, QuickBooks records a deposit that moves the sale from undeposited funds to the bank account you selected. If you've connected the bank account involved in the transaction, you'll also see it as a match in the Bank Transactions window once you've added all the sales transactions and confirmed the payout. If you want to learn more about how Square Connector records your sales, check out this video. Your new app also alerts you if you have transactions to review or if you need to update your connection. If you have a QuickBooks Online Advanced subscription, you can find notifications in the Tasks tab. Otherwise, select Apps, Overview to see if you're all caught up. While the old app did not report on this page, the new app shows you a summary of how many transactions you imported and their status, as far as how many you've categorized and how many await your review. Select Give Feedback in the App Transactions window if you want to let our team know what you love about the upgrade. You can also let us know if you have any issues after upgrading, and we'll reach out to you as soon as possible. Now, you're ready to upgrade from Connect to Square Connector by QuickBooks.